Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not receiving SMS messages. So in this case, you have to go to your settings on your Android phone. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 with Android 8. So you have to go to your apps in your settings or application manager in other phones. Alright, so here you locate the app called Messages. So here it is, you tap on it, and here you locate the storage section, and you have to click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Okay, so click on Delete, and here you go. So after you have done this, all right, you should be able to receive SMS messages from others. If that doesn't work, just try to restart your phone after clearing cache and data, and you'll be able to receive SMS messages. All right, so that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below if your issue was fixed. All right, thank you for watching and take care.